Have you ever wondered why stretching can sometimes feel painful? Why does it hurt when you are trying to improve your flexibility? Number one, muscle fibers. Muscle fibers are like rubber bands. When you stretch, you are lengthening these fibers, which can cause micro tears in the muscle tissue. Number two, lactic acid buildup. As you stretch, your muscles release lactic acid, a natural byproduct of a muscle activity. This buildup can cause discomfort and pain. Number three, nerve stimulation. Stretching can also stimulate nerve endings, which can send pain signals to your brain. This is especially true stretching a muscle that's already tight or injured. Number four, connective tissue. Connective tissue like tendons, ligaments can become inflamed or irritated when stretched, leading to pain and discomfort. So why does stretching hurt? It is a combination of micro tears in muscle fibers and lactic acid buildup, nerve stimulations, and connective tissue irritation. But don't let that stop you. With regular stretching, your muscles will adapt the pain and remember to stretch gently, breathe deeply, and listen to your body. Thank you. Are you confused between yoga and stretching? While both may look similar, they have distinct differences. Number one, focus. Yoga is a holistic practice that focuses on uniting the body, mind, and breath. It is a journey within aiming to harmonize your entire being. Number two, stretching. Stretching, on the other hand, is a physical activity that focuses on lengthening specific muscle groups to improve flexibility and range of motion. Number three, approach. Yoga takes more gentle and controlled approach using breath and meditation to guide the practice. Stretching, by contrast, often involves more forceful and dynamic movements to achieve flexibility. Number four, benefits. Yoga offers numerous benefits beyond physical flexibility, including reduced stress and improved mental clarity and enhanced overall well-being. Stretching, while excellent for improving flexibility and athletic performance, primarily focus on physical benefits. In summary, yoga is a holistic practice that unites mind, body, and breath, while stretching is a physical activity focused on improving flexibility. So both have their unique benefits, and incorporating both into your routine can lead to more balanced and healthy lifestyle.